All right, y'all. Here we are, back for another day of what the heck was I thinking? And oh gosh, this is yeah, this is yeah, it's no good. All right, so here's our issues. We talked about it a little bit in the other video, but that is not going to work. And this right here is not going to work either. And I y'all have been around the channel, I want everything. So I don't. It's not like the car doesn't fit in here. I mean, obviously no issue over here. I mean, a ton of room all around over there. Um, but I want to be able to use this table saw. I want to be able to work on this car, open the door, and not have to worry about hitting something. At least not that much. I mean, I refuse to go any farther forward because I want to walk through there. There's plenty of room around the Maverick, and the Maverick's actually longer. That's why we're in this configuration. But so today, project number one today is try to move this table saw. And it'll be a little bit of a project. First thing is this dust collection. This is all 6-inch S&D thin wall PVC, and it's not glued, but it is sealed with adhesive um, bathroom caulk. So I know I can get it apart, but the question is, can I get it apart right there? Is it going to come apart right there or I want it to, or is it just going to come apart everywhere or nowhere? So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, when we were in full woodworking mode, I wanted to have this big space in here so I could barely lay a 8-foot sheet of plywood on this bench and have it barely on the table saw. Well, I mean, it takes a little moving again, but I can clear some stuff out, make some room there. Really, I just need to clear the blade. So I can move it quite a bit this way and make some more space over there, which I think will actually solve the problem. So let me attempt to do that. We're also going to work. I'm out of walls. I just have no walls left. So I need more storage. So I'm going to try to figure out some shelves up here. I've got some shelf brackets heavy ones, that two by shelf brackets that I've made years ago that I'm not using. So we'll try to build some shelves up there for some Harbor Freight boxes and some tubs and this and that. So anyway, let me get started on this table saw project, and we'll come back in a little bit and see how it's going. All right, everybody, we're back, and it's a new day today, but pretty major accomplishment yesterday. It doesn't seem like moving that thing. I think it ended up being like 22 inches or something. Would be that big a deal, but man, it is. Trying to get lined back up where I could make the dust collection work, which I did. It was a struggle to get to get there, but anyway, got everything moved with this sliding table and the extension tables and uh, all that. The floor in this shop, um, it's kind of like the ocean. So 22 inches from where it was, everything changed. So, and I wanted to make sure that I had everything ready to use. So it's level, it's everything square with the world, and everything, all the legs are adjusted, so everything's supported really nice. But that definitely that helped immensely. See how much more room there is here, and I'll still have to. I'll put some. I got some 1/4 inch sticky foam that I'll put on there just to protect the door. But you can see now that you can get the door well open here, which couldn't do before. And really, what I was trying to solve as much as anything is this, as you could not walk through here before. So we got all that. So both cars are comfortably in here, and everything's pretty well done as far as the moving. My old body is really glad that I'm done moving everything that weighs 1,000 pounds for sure. But now, just have to deal with the aftermath more than anything. Still gotta get a 90 here, and we'll make that connection, and I had, just to make the connection easier, I had this horizontal belt sander, which is piled up crap, of course. I had it quite a ways sticking out in the aisle, and I decided I want to do that. So I'm going to get 2 street 90s here and make a 180 and turn that the other way. Probably not the greatest for dust collection, but it'll be all right. But anyway, as you can see, the first goal to all of this, the main goal to all of this, was to have both of these cars in the shop and have it where you could walk around, be comfortable doing it, be able to get the doors open, not have to worry about, putting the roller plates under stuff and to move cars around to get more room or whatever. And we've accomplished that, even though my body hurts today. But all right, so that's part 2, and more parts will be coming up because like I said, I'm going to deal with my 30 plus years of being a pack rat, and I said we'll try to get some shelves up there on that and that part of the wall right there. And this morning I'm just going to start dealing with what needs to be dealt with here. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll have some more shop stuff shortly.